Welcome to saitechinfo channel, my dear students. In this session, let me explain about bond line formula of organic compounds. Bond line. Let us consider isopropyl alcohol as an example. And isobutyl alcohol. Iso means branched. Prop means 3 carbon atom. Alcohol means having the functional group OH. Now you must ensure that each carbon should have 4 valencies. So one valence is represented by this bond. So remaining 3 valencies can be filled by 3 hydrogen. So similarly 3 hydrogen. Now we can write this as a bond line formula in this way. So we have 3 carbon atoms. So you can put like this. Carbon atom 1, carbon atom 2, carbon atom 3. And the terminal carbon atom is having 3 hydrogens. So CH3, CH and CH3. And then instead of one OH, you have OH. So this is the bond line formula of isopropyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. Iso means branched. Buta means 4 carbon atom. Alcohol, you can add 1 OH unit. Now fill up with the hydrogen. So CH3, CH3, CH, CH2 and then OH. And this can be written as CH3, CH, CH2, and you can write like this CH2, then OH, that's all. Okay. In fact, this CHOH is a secondary alcohol, whereas CH2OH is a primary alcohol. Even though it is described as iso, but the OH is attached to CH2, so it is primary. And this one is secondary. So remember this. Isopropyl alcohol is a secondary alcohol, whereas isobutyl alcohol is a primary alcohol. Okay. Now let us try one more compound, heptane 4-one. Heptane 4-one. One represents keto group. 4, it is in the 4th position. Heptane means 7. So you can write CH3, CH2, 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 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then best thing is first you write CCC, and that will be very convenient for you. So 7 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and select the 4th carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4, where you can put O. Now fill up with hydrogen. So this is the best way. Okay. Now this can be represented as a bond line formula. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is in the CO is in the 4th carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can put O. So this is the bond line formula. Are you able to understand?